Want to add some magic to your WhatsApp video calls? Here is how to unlock hidden camera effects on WhatsApp calls. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add camera effects or filter effects on your WhatsApp calls. So without any discussion, let's move to the video. Open the WhatsApp app first and you will be on the home page of the WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner if you are in Android, otherwise tap on the settings if you are in iOS. Once you head to the settings, you will see several settings here like account privacy, avatar, lists, chats and many more. Just you need to click on the privacy option. And again here you will see the several settings over here like profile photo, about, status, everything. Just scroll down a little and search for the allow camera effects option. Once you find, turn it on and tap on continue option. So after turning it on, you can use effects in the camera and video calls. So that's a crazy hack for everyone. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.